we're going to showcase. Now, about some golden bits. Ilan yan? How many? Number 11, Mr. Gala!
Hi everyone, today April 20. Again I will go to the ScoreBirds hotel. Sorry, last time I cannot go to the show to you video. But you know, most of the visitors ScoreBirds is bloggers. That's why you can watch any bloggers what happened last time. You can watch also my video now. Thank you for watching in advance. Thank you. Time now 1 p.m. and most of the table reservation already, you can see. So all tables with reservation.
And here we go, gentlemen, 14 candidates from all over the Philippines competing for the cash. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a snap, take a picture, and spot your favorite candidates for this swimsuit competition here in ScoreBirds Hotel. Once again, gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for this competition. Winning, the more visits they get, the more chances of their winning. You can buy your beats, gentlemen, from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos for a scratch beat and 5,000 pesos for the golden beat. Thank you so much for listening, ladies and gentlemen. Those are our 40 candidates. And later on tonight, gentlemen, we'll go to introduce you one by one. And they're going to showcase their talent on how they were going to emphasize their big fight. Global Tennis is a house bar located in the Phillips Avenue, Grand Street. Years of age, with a goal number 132 from Global Atlantis, please welcome Miss Leia Sikar. 76 of 32, 24, and 35. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. That was contestant number 4, Miss Reina Matanda. Focusing on with a final statistics of 36, 26, and 36. 5'3", high gentleman, fresh, 22 years of age, with a goal number D. 55, representing Dollhouse Bar, please welcome Miss Kai Gineka. Statistics of 36, 25, and 30, fresh, 19 years of age, with a code number 583 from Global Atlantis. Put your hands together for Miss Eliza Gonzalez. With a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 35. 5'2" in height, gentleman at 24 years of age, representing Lollipop Bar. Throw your hands up for Miss Janessa Padilla. Zero, representing from Dollhouse Bar. Put your hands together for Miss Queen Concepcion. Statistics of 32, 26, and 35. 5'1" in height, gentleman, 21 years of age. From Lollipop Bar, please welcome contestant number 9, Miss Rosette Zamanai. Capital city of the Philippines, now I'm talking about Metro Manila, with a vital statistics of 36, 25, and 32. 20 years of age, gentlemen, with a gold number of D498 from Dollhouse Bar. Throw your hands out for Miss Marianne Smith. Representing also from the big land of Mega Manila, with a minus statistics of 32, 24, and 34. 5'2" in height, gentleman, 27 years of age, with a gold number of 789 from Global Atlantis. Make some noise for Miss Young Gata. Manila, with a minus statistics of 32, 24, and 35. 4'11" in height, gentleman, a fresh 18 years of age. From Avalon Bar, please welcome Miss Ronaldin Quirino. Mega Manila, with a 25 and 32. 4'11" in height, gentleman, 21 years of age. With a gold number of D493. From Dollhouse Bar, put your hands together for Miss Maria Angeles. For the swimsuit combinations, contestant number 14, representing with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 35. 4'10" in height, gentlemen, 29 years of age. From Lollipop Bar, please welcome Miss Carmina Ramos. Combination. To hold the third will help our favorite candidates to proceed to our top finalists. All you need to do is buy some beats up and 100 pesos only for expensive beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. As I introduce you one by one, gentlemen, and that's going to be the last chance for you to give it to your favorite candidates for your bids. I show the support for them. She can ask. Is there any more big cinnamon? Alright, 4 golden beads for 13. How about for the 11? How many beads? How many golden beads? Ilan yun? Tatlo? Once again, candidate number 10, Miss Marianne Smith. Moving on to our next candidate, gentlemen, candidate number 8, representing from of 36, 25, and 32, 4'11" in height, gentlemen, 21 years of age, with a gold number of D493. And to get the lucky first spot with a total beads of 750 beads. Please welcome and congratulate. And please have a round, ladies. And of course, ladies and gentlemen. Years of age, with a gold number of 789, representing Globe Atlantis. Please welcome candidate number. Once again, people of ScoreBirds, have a huge round of applause for our 14 candidates for the ScoreBirds Adult Swimsuit competition. Ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time. 5'5" in height, gentlemen, 19 years of age, with a gold number of D600. Put your hands together for Miss Queen Consumption. Candidate number 11, Miss Galgara. Wow!